A lot rides on your mining equipment's undercarriage, machine performance, cost efficiency, site productivity, you name it. That's why you need a hassle-free plan to control your costs and improve your results. That's a CVA. Up to 20% more undercarriage life? That's a CVA. Maximum uptime with zero upfront cost? That's a CVA. Pay-as-you-go pricing and flexible dealer support? That's a CVA too. Available on D9 to D11 Cat dozers, Undercarriage CVAs are tailored cost-per-hour programs for your new or replacement undercarriage. It starts with zero upfront cost and a predictable cost model, so you only pay for life achieved. Your CVA then takes shape from 3 flexible options: delivered wear parts for do-it-yourself maintenance, maintenance and repairs with dealer labor, and total undercarriage management, unmatched by the competition, with maintenance, repairs, and rebuild options like roller frames, equalizer bars, or pivot shafts. Any CVA comes with the right parts at the right time, planned inspections, undercarriage assurance, and options for monthly payments. So you get a flexible solution to streamline cash flow, improve machine availability, and control your undercarriage cost per hour. Ready to maximize your uptime with zero upfront cost? That's a CVA. Work with your Cat dealer to find the right undercarriage CVA for your operation.